I'm Lucy, I'm 32, I live in Southampton and I'm married to Kofi and we've been married 10 years next Thursday, which he had better remember.
Anniversary. Tell me the date, Lucy.
I've got 2 children, Malachi who's 10 and Jaheim who's 8, and a baby on the way in November. Well, we wanted to get a puppy originally, but as soon as we saw Millie, we all just fell in love with her. I would describe myself mainly as a patient person.
More or less the boss of the house.
I'm a Virgo. I like everything where it's meant to be and tidy.
If I'm your age and we were the same age, I'll be better at football.
No way.
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
It was announced by the Sustainability Ambassador. I applied straight away. I knew it was something that I'd really enjoy and the kids would really enjoy and we'd be able to make a positive impact as a family. So I got all new bulbs. Every bulb in the house is now LED. Kids' lunchboxes, lots of seeds that the children planted. The hardest part was fitting the lights because Kofi isn't a great one for the DIY. So I just Googled how to change a light fitting. My direct debit reduced from £90 for my gas and electricity to about £64. Kofi's definitely the main cook of the family. He hates feeding them any sort of processed food. Everything has to be cooked, fresh. Because they like to eat healthy and be healthy, it was important that they learnt to grow their own food and to see where food comes from. We've always been close as a family, but it's really nice being able to spend the time with the children in the garden, watering the plants every day, so they learn how to look after something and nurture it and to see it grow and watch them enjoy it and see the difference that it makes. We can go out and enjoy more days out, more football, mainly. No. Yeah, that's it. We can just go and enjoy being together as a family more, which is really good.